First off, let's break down what hub-centric spacers really are. Unlike traditional Lug-centric wheel spacers, hub-centric spacers are engineered to match your vehicle hub perfectly. This means the spacer's center bolt is designed to fit snugly over your hub, ensuring the wheel stays perfectly centered at all times. A significant reduction in vibrations and an overboost in driving stability, key elements for any performance build. So, does hub-centric matter for spacers? Yes, hub-centric is very important for spacers. Not only wheel spacers are made the same. In terms of structure, there are two main types of wheel spacers. Hub-centric spacers. These spacers are centered on the hub bolt, ensuring perfect fitment. Lug-centric spacers. These spacers are centered by the lug nut, which can be less precise. For the best performance and safety, it is recommended to use hub-centric wheel spacers. Hub-centric spacers are better to keep the wheel connect on the vehicle hub, just like the OEM wheels. This eliminates the possibility of wear disorder and prevents the wheel stud from bearing vehicle forces. This is why most people believe hub-centric spacers are much safer and provide the best ride quality. These BONOSS hub-centric wheel spacers are machined with a chamfer of the interface of the hub-centric lip. In simple words, BONOSS hub-centric wheel spacers come with better multi-stage hub-centric lips. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the barrels with the corresponding hub flange, which eliminate any possible gas. Precise BONOSS active cooling wheel spacers are helpful in avoiding vibration and excessive tire wear. The product brand is also very important for spacers. Most general brand wheel spacers usually come with a warranty. It includes information about the manufacturer's conductions. BONOSS active cooling wheel spacers offer a 10-year warranty. This 10-year warranty protects the customer interest and ensures product quality and safety. Remember, when it comes to ensuring a smooth, vibration-free ride and optimal performance, hub-centric design really matter. It keeps your wheels perfectly aligned with your hub, enhances overall stability, and giving you that confidence when you are pushing your car to the limit.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.